Hello, my cheeky peeps. It is Tuesday, and I am bringing you one of my new layouts that I created with the Autumn Beauty November kit. And so I did grab some scraps that I've been utilizing. I've kind of been going through this really old collection called Trendsetter from Fancy Pants, and it just seems to have some of the dark blues and kind of neutral colors that I've been scrapping photos of lately. And also I used paper number 2 in the Autumn Beauty collection from Cheeky Studio, and I think just about everything except for, everything except for maybe a sticker or a wood veneer is Cheeky Studio product. So in one way, shape, or form. Now, I do apologize. I am still sick. I went to the doctor today, and I have been sick for a solid 2 weeks. And I know I'm stubborn, and I always think it's allergies and that it's just going to pass. But apparently, I have a pretty bad virus and a lung virus. And then I've got a sinus infection and an ear infection. So I've got lots of meds. I'm on the mend as of today. I also have an inhaler that's supposed to help. So I apologize that I sound terrible, but hopefully when I attend this large show this weekend, the large crop that we're going to be at, I will feel well, and that is the goal, because I can't go another week like this. This is driving me crazy, and I can't think, and I'm losing sleep. So some of these little stickers that you see are from that old Trendsetter collection. The ephemera, of course, is by Cheeky Studio, and that's the Autumn Beauty collection. You can get it through the website as a standalone. We do have a couple of the November kits left. If you wanted to sign up for a subscription before we went out of town, I would of course ship you the November kit. But the rest, the excess, are going with me. So hopefully I will just blow the doors off and sell everything, and have to make lots of new goodies for you. So but I do really like the soft blue background of this paper. I also added a date area. That's what that little swipe of color in those little dark pink letters spell. If you can't see it on camera, it just says date. And I thought that would be a perfect place to put a roller date stamp and the date. And that's exactly what I do with my trusty Heidi Swap roller date stamp. I also use some of the cork flowers that were in the kit, and I'm thinking here what I'm going to do for more of a title. So I grabbed the Amy Tan thickers that are also in the kit. Now I liked that sticker because, let's see, what did it say? It said today's trends, and I had written some things on it which you can't even read now. I guess I used the wrong pen. But the place that I took the pictures of is a local legend, and that's the title of the layout. And it has been in business for something like 50 some odd years, and it is literally a hole in the wall in our little downtown really old area, which I've heard and read they're going to be renovating a lot of our downtown area and making it very fancy and bougie. So I guess we'll see how that turns out, because right now it's very, very historic. So I just used the thickers from the kit, and then I also I've got these flare that are in the shop called Autumn Friends, and so I used that one of the little owl because I thought it was adorable. And then here I'm just pulling in some really old wood veneer from my stash. I thought it went well with the feel of the photos. And yeah, there you go. I'm showing you the date. So I used just that stays on that I kind of always go to. Now I'm doing this white acrylic paint that I do. I just like to use the cheapy stuff, water it down, and use it as a splatter on my background. I think it adds a ton of personality, and I really like how opaque it is, and I just don't trust any other white sprays. So, and that white splatter is my favorite out of, I mean, more than black or navy or anything like that. I just love white. So I think it brightens up the photos. And so that's gonna do it. I think I'm done here. If you get a chance, if you're going to be at the Kiss Crop this weekend, and I know I've said this probably a couple of times already, I would love for you to come by the Cheeky Studio booth and say hello to us. We've got some really fun exclusive things for that crop, and I'm super excited because we've done a crop before. Well, we've done a few crops, but one I did not get to go to because I was out of town. And so Bab and True worked it, and then the other two were just kind of small and quaint, so I worked those. But this is supposed to be a big one with me and Bab, and I'm super pumped about spending a few days with all of the wonderful scrappers out there and getting to know them. So that's it. I appreciate you watching, and if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will talk to you later. Ta-ta for now. Bye.